I thought it was a good practice. We definitely got good touches in. It was definitely a little bit laid back, but I expected before games. Don't want to get any bumps and bruises before the game, but it was healthy, competitive, so that's good.
I think their touches and the way they come out and the way they're taking on the training session is a positive, and they're not guessing what we're going to do. They know what we need to do, and everything's basically a routine in every sport. It's just how you take it.
Coach is very superstitious, so we like to do things a lot alike when we win. Like, we like to go eat and stuff. It's very important because that means we come together, we all do it, we all like doing it. It's very important.
Coach tries to keep it the same. That way, we get into like a flow, we get ready, our bodies feel the same. It kind of takes away the nervousness that everyone has whenever we do the same thing every week. Just having that routine really helps keep everyone like stable.
The girls are playing relaxed. They're having fun, and that's a big part of this whole experience.
I know we're all really good athletes. We just have to come together as a team and perform together, and I know we can do it. Enjoy
the moment. Don't let it take you over. Enjoy it. Everything here you have earned. It's all pluses from here on out, no matter what happens. And like you said, enjoy the moment.